Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the 2-watch Ultra clone, the WS-X9 Ultra, and we have the i9 Ultra Max Smartwatch. So we are going to compare these wearable, okay, as you requested, and we'll check whether they have the same menus and features as well as design. So if you have any questions regarding this video comparison of the 2-watch Ultra clone smartwatch in the market, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start and compare these two wearables, including their design as well as the menus and features. As you can see here, so very different approach in packaging. The i9 Ultra Max do have a simple box packaging here. So this is our i9 Ultra Max. And while for the WS-X9 Ultra, we have a wide box here. And of course, it is included with several straps. Okay, so as you can see here, 7 plus 1. Okay, for the design, let's put them side by side. Okay, so we have here a flexible silicone strap. We can remove this so you can see the overall look of the smartwatch body frame. So different color, different style. Okay, so let's attach this one. Okay, it's not right. It should be attached this way. Okay, so in terms of the design, side by side, they are almost identical, with the WS9 with a much thicker body frame. Okay, slightly thicker and much bigger button, I think, or slightly bigger button. Okay, on the other side, the same. Okay, orange action button here with the speaker on the side. At the back, so this one, okay, so magnetic, okay, pogo pin, while this one wireless charging. So fake screws, real screw. There's no watch strap lock. This one we have a small watch strap lock, but it's not working so far. Okay, in terms of the color, we have a black color. This one we do have a glossy blue color. Okay, I think the WS-X9 do have a much bigger body frame, I think. Okay, and okay, for the screen display, so the same. Okay, we do have a just an okay black border. For the menus and features, let's see. On top we have the, okay, so different approach here. Notifications for the for the i9 Ultra Max, while for the WS-X9 Ultra, we have the quick settings or quick functions. So different approach, different style. Okay, let's see the, I think the WS-X9 do have a much better UI here in terms of the quick settings. Okay, go back. On the right side, on the left side, I mean, we have the dashboard here. For the WS, we have the split screen. So which is better, do you think? Okay, so different style. Okay, on the other side, so we have the different main features. Okay, for the menus and features, so different style here. To access the menus and features, you can tap on the screen or press the rotary button here for the i9. Okay, while for the WS-X9, let's see. Nope, you cannot do that here, but you can only press the power button. Okay, so here are the menus and features. We have the clock, phone book, sports. For the health, we also have a heart rate. Let's see the UI. Okay, different style. This one is much better, I think. For the blood pressure, do we have a blood pressure? Yes, we do have it here. Okay, so different style also. Go back. Music control. Let's see the music control here. Do we have a music control function? Yes, we do have. Okay. So different style with the volume adjustment here. So this one, the X9 don't have a volume adjustment. Okay. I see something here. Seems like we do have a body temperature monitoring. I don't know if this is real or not, but we do have it here. So the i9 Ultra, we don't have a body temperature monitoring. We have a weather report. Okay, it's just similar in appearance. Breathing guide, calculator. Let's see the calculator. The same style. Okay. We also have a camera. Menu style. Do we have it here for the menu style? Let's see. Seems like we don't have a... okay, we have it here. Menu style. So how many style do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the same number of menu style. Okay. Language support. Okay, we have it here. So for the setting, let's see. Much bigger text setting for the WS-X9. Okay, it is much easier to use and read. You can set the time here, as you can see. Oh, and you can also set the date. Set the time also here. Let's see. Where's the time? Set time. Okay, with the brightness adjustment. We don't have a brightness adjustment here. Yes, we do have also. Okay. We also have a setup for connected GPS. And password. Do we have a password here? We don't have a password for the X9. Okay, we also have a world time. For the sports, let's see. Press. And we have the sports press. We have the sports. Okay, let's see if they have the same number of sports. We have running, bike riding, walking. Okay, so here are the sports for until football for the for the i9 Ultra Max. So the WS-X9 do have a much better list of sports function. Okay, I think twice the number of the i9 Ultra Max. Okay, so that's it. Again, here are the menus and features. Phone book. Okay, let's browse again on the list of menus and features. Again, this is the i9 and this is the WS-X9. i9, X9. This is the i9 again and the X9. Okay, let's check. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the WS-X9 Ultra versus the i9 Ultra Max Smartwatch. These are both affordable smartwatches, but I think the WS-X9 do have a much better, okay, features and design. Okay, it is much bigger, I think. So that's it. So if you have any questions regarding these wearables, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.